So I come from the field of public policy, and unfortunately, public policy seems to be the source of many problems. So we're moving more towards empathic deliberative processes for imaginative policy analysis processes. And so lately, we've been working in the nexus between futurist thinking, emotional intelligence, trauma-informed decision-making, and also mindfulness. And so from this conference, I think the two ingredients that have been highlighted, and this is along the lines of Mei as well as Puresh as well, and I'm very thrilled that we think along the same lines. The first is the importance of aesthetics. Through another field, I've recognized that all decisions are emotional decisions. So policy makers also use emotions to make decisions. And all emotions that are within us are connected to memories and the stories that we have. So without the experiential learning and the aesthetics, we would not have those memories stick to us and then make informed decisions. So aesthetics to me is so important. The second is authenticity. And what I mean with this is in the iceberg CLA that we're all familiar with, at the very bottom, this idea of sense of belonging, fear from not being safe, whether it's physical safetyness, emotional safetyness, or spiritual safetyness, I think speaks to the core of our topic on inclusivity. This word we hear a lot in public policy. It's related to the idea of social connection. So the most painful experience that all of us have or can have is ostracization, like solitary confinement is the highest form of punishment, or disenfranchisement. So how do we overcome that? I think first of all is authenticity, which is the connection with yourself. Many of us are sleepwalking in our lives, and that's where I think the idea of mindfulness and awareness comes in. So I just want to end by saying that we as humans, whether we are here or not, the planet will continue, but we have our consciousness, so we can continue to be human beings and not human doings. And I like to say thank you for this conference that has emphasized both imagination and authenticity for me. Thank you.